welcome to Tanu Hair and Crafts. Here we teach on how to make wigs, trendy hairstyles and other crafts. If you are joining us for the first time, you are welcome, and if you've been here before, you are also welcome. Please do subscribe, like and share this video to support us, and do not forget to put on the notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video comes up. Thank you. Welcome to today's class. Today I am going to be teaching you how to grip your box braid and cover the hair color on it. First, we are going to section the hair. Make sure the hairline is well defined. Sit back and enjoy the class. After sectioning it, you can use the hair wax to pick out all the little hair on the scalp to make it very neat. I really need you to watch closely what I'm about to do. You shear the attachment into 3 equal parts, as you can see on the screen. It's not equal, so I need to pick more to make sure the 3 of them are of equal volume. Please watch the movement of my hands. I'm going to put it on slow motion so you can get it. Now is to cover the black hair color. Make sure you put it underneath the attachment so it will cover the color of the head. You see, all the black hair is hidden. You can only see the color one. Keep doing this till the end of the black hair. Towards the end, you twist to give you that sharp end, and after which you will now trim to give your neat finishing. I will make another one so you can get it correctly. Please watch closely. We'll put this on slow motion so you'll be able to follow up. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please subscribe, like and share our video to support us. And do put on your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video comes up. Thank you and goodbye.